Hi guys, have you been looking for how to generate your AI videos free of charge here on YouTube? Join me, let me show you how to generate your AI videos for free here on YouTube. You don't need to pay any dime, just free. Watch this video to the end and thank me on the comment section. So this is how to do it. Open your YouTube app. Once you open your YouTube app, click on this plus sign as if you want to upload a short. Then once you click on the plus sign, you go to add. Click on this add to add. Let's say you want to create a video with photo. Then let me select this picture now. You select the picture you want to create. Click on next. Once you click on next, stretch this line to the end. Then you see this upside, the root photo to video. Click on it. Once you click on it, so Meta AI wanna generate some prompts for you. So you can select any of these prompts. Once you select, let me check, read anyone. I choose one from it. A colorful film will explode. Yeah, the woman reaches out and catches a fly. The woman says, "Time to shine," while adjusting her earring. Okay, let's say I use this one. You click on it. Click on this arrow sign to send. Now it is generating. Once it's done generating, it will get to 100%. This is 90%. You wait. This is 99%. It's generating now. Just allow it to generate. So it has
Time to shine. It is finally the moment I have been waiting for, and I feel absolutely ready to step out and enjoy this beautiful night.
So you have
Time
seen
to
it.
shine. It is
So
finally the moment I have
it.
been waiting for,
Then you
and I
click
feel
on
absolutely
this
ready
next.
to step out and enjoy this
If you want
beautiful
to
night.
save it and
Time to shine.
upload
It is finally the
if you want to upload it in your YouTube, you click on this next. Then it will direct you where to put your caption, title, all those things. Then if you don't want to upload it in YouTube direct, you click on this arrow here. You will see save to device. You click on save to device. Now it has saved to my device. Once I open my gallery now, I will see this video. So that is how to upload it. That is how to generate AI from YouTube. So I will still teach you another way if you want to like change the caption. If the caption they brought is not what you want, you can change your caption. I will do the video separately.